standing like I'm gonna fight someone. Give us your money. They've redone the flooring. So this is a hybrid clip together floor system that you can buy from any of your flooring suppliers. So this is something that we do quite often as well because it really does make a dramatic change. They've also done, their full internal paint as well. Sticking with white is a great idea, both for sort of renovating and updating your own house, and if you're looking at selling as well, is what we recommend. So have sort of a neutral palette so it doesn't sort of stop anybody from liking, oh, I don't love that color they did, I'm not interested in this house, that sort of thing. So start fresh, nice and bright, lightens up the area, makes every area look bigger. Into their rooms, they've ripped out all the old carpet, just laid new carpet. So not a massive thing, but makes a huge difference again. Take a look up here, we got some new fans, new downlights. That's also, again, a massive thing that can make a big difference to how the house appears with the lighting. Fans, air cons, lights, GPOs, even things as switches. As you can see over here, the owners have installed the newer, a modern looking flush panel. Makes everything just look that little bit fancier. Kitchen here is reasonably new as well for these owners. They've sort of built in a pantry in here and sort of redesigned their kitchen a little bit to be a bit more practical, a bit more open, and once again sticking with the lighter colors to make a smaller area feel bigger. That together with their new appliances, again, not a massive expense in terms of a renovation, but something that makes a huge difference to the appearance of the house. Stone top, which looks amazing. Overhang here for stools or just extra bench space for food, platters, all that sort of stuff. They'll have their dining table out here, can stack everything up and entertain friends that way. So. All right, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Paint, flooring, new lights, electrical, refresh of the kitchens, bathrooms. That's the major things you'll need to have an older house looking new again. Back to new again. One thing is quite obvious is I'm not that good in front of a camera, but one thing I can assure you is we know how to build. So if you're looking to update your home, renovation, extension, or even just a little refresh, jump on our webpage, enter your details into our quote system, and we'll be back as soon as possible.